Hello children, good morning to all. I hope you all are fit and fine. So children, in our today's class, we will learn about that how internet works. And for this, here our class begin. So children, in our previous class we discussed about that what is actually internet. Internet is a network of network. Okay. Now today's task is that what is the how internet work, that is working of the internet. In our today's class we will discuss and how data is transferred between these client server. So this thing we will discuss in our today's class. And in our yesterday's class we discussed about this network architecture. Architecture means designing, and this one is peer to peer network architecture, or we can say point to point. Children, here all the computers are connected to each other. Why this is called point to point? Because if any computer wants the data, that computer will directly take data from that server. Okay, so this one is point to point. Here every computer is connected to other computer and they can directly contact with each other. So this one is point to point. And in this architecture, every computer can act as a client or as a server. Means no distinction is there. Here any computer can act as a server, any computer can act as a client according to the point of time. Okay, according to your need. And second, what we discussed, that one is client server architecture. As its name suggests, here we are having one specific computer that can act as a server. Here this one is file and print server. So only with this only, if you any computer want the print, so this server is responsible. Okay, so this one is client server. Here these all are the clients, and at every point they act as a client only. All the time they are requesting for this, and this server, it's duty of this server that it will fulfilling the request of the client. Children, next topic is what is the difference between peer to peer and client to client server architecture. Here in peer to peer, all computers are equally responsible and equally capable. Okay, but in client server, one specific computer can act as a server and rest of the computer they act as a client. Second is storage of data. In peer to peer, that every node is can store data, every node can share the data, while in client server, here only one single server is responsible for storing the data. Okay, next is peer to peer is less expensive and easy to implement. Implementation is easy, but expensiveness by all in the beginning only we are purchasing these items, so less expensive. Later on, if any problem is there, we are removing that node. But in client server architecture, it is difficult to implement. Means that creating that networking, it is little bit difficult process as compared to peer architecture. And here in peer to peer architecture, that all the nodes are allowed that they can share the data. And while in client server, if multiple computers they are requesting, then the speed of the server is little bit slow. Okay, but in client server, sorry, in peer to peer, every node is equally independent, so there is no speed problem in with peer to peer network. But in client server, so many simultaneous if request will occur on server, then the speed of the computer will little bit slow. Next is in peer to peer, that this network is not always secure because every node is having data, same copy of data is there in all the nodes. So this one is little bit secure, that from any computer that hacker can take the data. But the security is the major quality of this client server architecture. Here the complete data is stored on one single computer, so only that computer is having all the data. So it is difficult for hacker also to break the security of that computer. While in peer to peer, every node is having same data, so it is easy for the hacker to break the security from any point. Okay children, so this topic we discussed in our previous class. Now our today's task is that how data transfer and how this internet work. So for this we will go through this topic. So here our topic start. So children, what is the internet? Internet is network of network. This one is one network. This one is one network. This one is one network. Okay? And when we are connecting these network with the help of internet, this one is also one network. So what is actually internet? Internet is network of networks. Okay? Now our today's task is that how internet work. For this we require few terms are there. First is client. Children, this internet work on the principle of client server. Okay? Internet is also a network. So on which architecture it works? It works on client server architecture. What is client? Who is demanding? Okay? Client is always requesting. So who is requesting? That one is client. Next one is server. Server who is serving. As its name suggests, serve कर रहा है, that one is server. Server is one powerful machine who is fulfilling the request of client. Children, in working of the internet, we required one term here. Name of the term is protocol. Okay? In internet, actually we require two protocol. One is HTTP, one is TCP/IP. What is actually protocol? Protocol are the set of rules. What does it mean, ma'am? Children, you are going there in a school. You have seen that certain rules are there. That on Wednesday you will wear this uniform. On Thursday you will wear this uniform. This one is your prayer. This one is your color of the band. Girls ke liye na. So these are the protocol. These are the set of rules. If you want to study in this school, you must follow those rules. In the same manner, if you want to use internet, for this internet, you have to follow certain rules. And these set of rules is called protocol. So what is protocol? Protocol is set of rules. So in the working of internet, we require two protocol. One is HTTP, one is TCP/IP. Full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. In your book also you will check Hypertext Transfer Protocol. ठीक है? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. और in internet you have checked that at few places HTTPS लिखा होता है. This S means secure. Second protocol we required is TCP/IP. Its meaning is Transmission Control Protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol. Okay, what does this protocol means? Protocol means set of rules. If you want to work with internet, you have to follow certain rules. And in internet working, we require two protocols. One is HTTP, one is TCP/IP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. You will repeat with me. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And this S means secure. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, secure connection. ठीक है? And TCP/IP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. Again you will repeat. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. Protocol means set of rules. IP. IP stands for Internet Protocol. Okay. And this internet work on client server architecture. Client who is requesting, server who is giving response. Now children, this one is how internet works. Here this one is client and this one is server. You all are using Facebook. Suppose you are here. Okay? Yeah. And you are requesting for Facebook. This one is your phone. And from your phone, you are requesting for Facebook. ठीक है? तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? This one is my phone. So I am opening Google Chrome. And there I am writing, opening that Chrome. And there I am writing facebook.com. ठीक है? First, when you start the internet with this request, जैसे आप request send करते हो, ठीक है? One connection is established between client and server. ठीक है? And the connection name is HTTP request. Now you are sending request na after this. So this one is HTTP request. You are
giving request from your mobile facebook.com. When you are pressing enter from your that keyboard or from your that mobile, your request is sending. With this, connection established between client and server, and this connection is established by HTTP protocol, and this request is known as HTTP request. Okay. Now what happened on server side? Server is taking your Facebook page and server is giving it to you. So this one is HTTP response. Now server is giving you response, so this one is HTTP response. Okay. Now what happened, how it works? Children, you have seen that here you are writing only Facebook in address bar. What you are writing? You are writing only facebook.com, and when you are pressing enter, automatically HTTP is placed automatically by this browser. Why so? Because this HTTP is responsible for establishing this connection between client and server. When you are writing facebook.com and when you are pressing enter, your request is moving out from here, from your mobile to your service provider. Okay? If you are having that Jio connection to that company, okay, your request is moving out from your mobile to that server. So this request is known as HTTP request. Okay, when you are opening internet, connection established between client and server, and when you are placing something in the address bar, that HTTP request. Okay, when you are pressing enter, that request is known as HTTP request. And on the server side, what server will give? Server is searching that page and server will give you that response. So that response is known as HTTP response. Okay children. Now how internet works? So client side से work हो गया, उसने request send कर दिया. Now on server side what happened? Server is searching that page. Suppose this one is your Facebook page, but the size of this page is very large. Have you seen that? When you are writing that facebook.com and your one circle is there, that circle is processing and little bit data, and है ना, in Internet Explorer you have seen that नीचे एक green bar होता है, that bar is green and at last complete green and your complete page will open. ठीक है. What happen on server side? Server is searching your page. After searching this page, इसका size होता है, the size of this page is very large. So on the server side, one protocol work. Name of the protocol is TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. What is the function of this TCP? TCP, what it will do? It will take this page and divide this page into small packets. You all have seen that in online shopping. What happened? If you order one big item, what they will do? They will divide that item into small packets. उसमें they are packed at one. ठीक है, your complete big item they divide it into small packets और उसको उसमें pack कर देते हैं. ठीक है. So what is the function of TCP? It will take that page and it will make the packets of that data. ठीक है. And the limit of each packet is 1500 characters. ठीक है. In each packet it will take 1500 character. What is the size of this page? It will divide that according to the 1500 character per packet. Now what is the function of this IP? IP stands for Internet Protocol. होता है ना, that in online shopping also, that first what they'll do, you are requesting something, that company they will take that product, they will pack that one and then they are place your address. This is the function of IP protocol. What IP will do? IP will place the address, your computer IP address on these packets. And then after completion of all this work, they will start placing these packets in the network. Now on your computer, what happened? In your computer, this processing going on. Now on your computer side, first packet, okay, received by this client. So little bit this one na, green bar, little bit this one. Okay, little bit content is here. Second packet received, second little bit more and second packet. and at last if all the packets are received and all the content is visible to you. Sometime what happen, you have seen that any image is there and on that side what is written that this web page is not available, लिखा होता है ना, that content is not available, web page is not available. Why so? Because sometime what happen that server is sending, because server is having so many clients, हर client अपनी request send कर रहा है. So sometime what happen in the network that by mistaken any packet will lost, ठीक है, वो वहां से रिमूव होके इट माइट बी पॉसिबल इट विल मूव ऑन सम एल्स प्लेस और करप्टेड और डेटा लॉस. ठीक है, अब क्या हुआ, ऑन दिस साइड दिस पैकेट लॉस्ट, सो एवरी पैकेट whatever the remaining packets they are there, they all are placing their information, but this packet is already lost. Now what we are doing, we are again doing refresh F5 button from our keyboard. When we are pressing F5 key from the keyboard, it will refresh that page. Again our request will go on server side. Now server is having all the copies, server is again sending those copies to the copies in the network. Now on client side again it will collect all the copies, it will check already there, तो उसको reject कर देगा. This one is already there, reject कर देगा. This packet is not there, तो इसको लेके it will place that packet and this will be visible to you. Now complete page is visible to you. Are you getting my point? Children, in the working internet working, it will based on client server architecture. Client who is always requesting, server who is processing that request. And one term is there, protocol. Protocol means set of rules, and here in working of internet we require two protocol. One is HTTP, one is TCP/IP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and with this sometime HTTPS is also written there. Today after this class you will use your browser, there you will write facebook.com or any site you will write down, and when you are pressing enter you will check automatically HTTP will be appear there. How and why? So that because HTTP, this protocol is responsible for creating this connection between client and server. ठीक है, HTTP protocol. Second protocol is TCP/IP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol. TCP function, they both the protocol they are working on server side. The function of TCP is to take that one big page into make them a small packet, and the per packet limit is 1500 characters. And the function of this IP protocol is placing the address in on these packets. ठीक है, and after completion all this work they are placing these packets in the network. And children, this packets, ठीक है, ये packets का movement जो होता है, this term is known as switching. ठीक है, switch means move करना. So packet switching, this term is known as packet switching because packets are moving in the network. So this term is known as packet switching. ठीक है, now what happened, this one is client is requesting for something. This one is your computer. From your computer in Google Chrome you are writing facebook.com. When you are pressing enter, automatically HTTP is written there, and with this now your processing starts and one request is moving from your computer to your server. This request is known as HTTP request. Server is giving you that response, so that response is known as HTTP response. And this one is establishment. HTTP protocol is responsible for establishing this connection between client and server. Now on server side, server, what happened, that server is searching that packet and that page and divide that page because content is very high, very large data. ठीक है, and it is difficult for the server to place the entire page in one single response. So what server will do, on server side two protocol will work as TCP and IP. TCP is Transmission Control Protocol. Function of this TCP is to take that large packet and divide that large packet into small packets, and the limit of each packet is 1500 characters. And the function of IP is internet protocol. It will place the address of the client machine on these packets. After doing all this work, they are placing these packets, the server is placing these packets in the network. Now these packets are moving. This term is known as packet switching. Packets ka movement, switching means hota hai movement. So on this network, now packets are start moving. This one is your computer. These packets movement, this term is known as packet switching. Now on client side, this processing is going on. Okay, this one is your bar. So here what happened? When first packet received little bit data, second packet received, data appear, and in this manner complete page will be visible to you. But sometime in network by mistaken any packet will moved out. Okay, it will lost its path, so it will move lost. Okay, from their network. Now on that place, what written there, that web page content is not available. Now client is doing pressing F5 key, F5 for refreshing. Okay, when you are pressing F5 key from your keyboard, again your request will move on to your server. Server is having all the packets, it again send the copy of these packets to the client. Okay, now on client side, client browser, what it will do, it will take the packet, receive that packet and check that it is already available, तो उसको ठीक है, उसको discard कर दिया. Second packet already available, discard कर दिया packet को. This packet is now this packet is new one. It will take that packet and place that content in your web page. Children, in this manner your internet works. If you will read it from your book, one term is there, that is gateway. What is the function of gateway? Actually gateway is responsible for making connection between two different networks. ठीक है, you will do revision, you will check this again. If you found any problem, you will tell this to me. In tomorrow's class or in next class, we will take revision tour. So there again I will tell you this. Okay, so don't worry about it, do revision till this. Okay, thank you so much class, thank you for listening me, thank you.